Let's meet A1 NEMT Transportation, a fictional NEMT provider. 70% of A1 NEMT Transportation's business comes from brokers, while 20% is private contracts and 10% is school kids. They perform an average of 100 trips daily and dispatch approximately 7 vehicles on the road each day. A1 NEMT Transportation used to struggle with daily scheduling, dispatching, driver communication, billing, and compliance. They were always running late, wasting time and money due to poor workflow and practices. MediRoutes optimized all phases of their operations. By automating scheduling, dispatching, and billing, A1 NEMT Transportation can focus on providing better service to its clients. Let's walk through a day at A1 NEMT Transportation. The two brokers they work with are Logisticare and MTM. Those trips are automatically entered into MediRoutes through an import file from the broker. MediRoutes works with all major brokerages and many of the regional brokers around the United States. Once the file has been downloaded, it can be imported with a click of a button. As MediRoutes imports each trip, it automatically calculates the optimal pickup time based on load time, estimated driving time, and unload time for each trip. Once the optimized trips have been imported into MediRoutes, the next step is to schedule the trips to the vehicles. MediRoutes' scheduling algorithm assigns the trips to the best vehicles or drivers to perform the trip. This optimized scheduling algorithm takes into consideration the patient's requirements, so ambulatory, wheelchair, or stretcher needs, and appointment time, the transport vehicle's capacity, the drive time, and funding source requirements or limitations. For example, A1 NEMT Transportation's contract for school kids requires that school kids never ride with adults. The MediRoutes software knows this limitation and therefore never schedules kids with adults on the same vehicle at the same time. At the same time, the MediRoutes software optimizes revenue per mile by ensuring that each vehicle is loaded to its capacity and minimizing the total number of miles driven. The whole process of assigning trips to the best vehicle to ensure every passenger gets to their appointment on time and that A1 NEMT Transportation maximizes its revenue for each mile takes less than 60 seconds. At the end of the scheduling process, A1 NEMT Transportation can see exactly how much money they're going to make for each mile driven, revenue per mile, for each vehicle before any vehicles leave for that day. This allows A1 NEMT Transportation to make changes to the schedule to ensure that each route planned will be as profitable as possible. Once the schedule is confirmed, A1 NEMT Transportation can be assured that they're making the most revenue possible based on the number of trips they have that day while driving the fewest number of miles and utilizing only the vehicles they need for that day.